Disabled Milwaukee police officers are being asked to pay a law firm that won a court case that benefits them, even though they didn't hire the firm.
I'm offended by what's being requested here. These are police and firefighters who have been shot, they've been stabbed, they've been beaten, bitten by dogs.
The McGillis-Weimer firm represented other Milwaukee employees, but not officers, in a case that will restore tens of thousands of dollars each in disability benefits to them all. McGillis now wants a cut from the cops, and their union is fighting it.
This money grab is not legal, it's not right, it's not ethical, it's not justice. Attorney McGillis should be ashamed of himself.
Why is it that he's resorting to personal attacks about me versus talking about the law, talking about the facts?
Christopher McGillis says there'd be no extra money for the officers without his work.
Why didn't his law firm or someone else on behalf of the MPA file this lawsuit in 2018 when we did? If this is so easy.
For now, the disability payments to nearly 100 Milwaukee officers are frozen. Among them, Officer Graham Kunish, who was shot in the face and lost an eye during a traffic stop on Milwaukee's South Side in 2009.
Can you talk about how the officers you've spoken with about this feel about this case?
Oh, they're disgusted by it. I mean, they see it as they had gone out there and gotten injured or been shot or done numerous other things for the city, and then for someone to come in and try to take a third of that benefit is disgusting to them.
A judge's decision against the firm would free up those duty disability payments. A decision is due by April. In the Milwaukee County Courthouse, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.
If the judge sides with McGillis, each injured officer would be forced to pay between $6,000 and $10,000 to the firm, and that amounts to more than $600,000. Again, a decision due by April.